What's the saddest thing you have experienced? I work at a grocery store, and there's this old man who used to come in every day to buy a single rose. Had been doing it for months. A week ago, I finally asked him about it. He smiled and said, "It's for my wife. She loves fresh flowers." I thought that was sweet, so I asked how long they've been married for. His face fell a bit. "She passed away a year ago," he said. "I still take her a rose every day." I felt terrible for asking, but he assured me it was okay. He told me they were married for 60 years, and he promised her he'd bring her flowers every day. "Just because she's gone doesn't mean I stopped keeping my promises," he said. But yesterday he didn't come, so I got worried and asked around. It turns out that he passed away in his sleep 2 nights ago. They found him holding a photo of his wife. I cried when I heard.